Today's episode is brought to you by Fumo. Welcome to DMZ TV. My name is Dutch. And today we're going to be talking about the Fumo Hookah. For those who follow us on Instagram, you guys probably seen for the last 3 weeks that we've been actually using the Fumo Hookah. And wherever we took this hookah, everyone loved it. I mean, it's amazing hookah. So today we're going to do a first look on the Fumo jar hookah. Once you purchase this hookah, you will get it in a wooden box just like this. As soon as you open it, you will see inside the Fumo hookah and the accessories that come with it. Okay, so here we have the base and the accessories that come with the Fumo jar package. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together. So we're going to start with the glass bowl. Yeah, there's a little bit of wear in there. My apologies, but we've been using it a couple of times already. So let me just show you real quick how to put this together. So you take the bowl, the glass bowl, and then you take the glass stem. I like how they have the logo on it. Put this down as so, and this goes into the base. Now you take the next part is a purge valve, also has the logo on it, and this you can put it wherever you want. Let's put it for this one right here. All right, you can also put 2 hoses if you like. We only have 1 hose, so we're gonna put this one right here to cover the other part. Now, this hookah comes with HMD, aka wing cover, HMD. It's amazing how this works. Made of aluminum. And this HMD goes on top here. Now it comes with a handle, and the handle is actually there, so you can take the handle, you can put it in here. When it's hot, lift the HMD cover, or lift the whole HMD from here as so. So let's put this here back. Let's put this here in the middle. Of course, it comes here with its own LED. Now the LED has a button and also where to charge it at. Now, the way you turn it on, you actually hold it down for a couple of seconds and it turns on, as you can see. Has its remote, so you can change the colors however you want it. Perfect. Now, last part is the hose. And let me show you the hose also. Parts has the logo on it, made of stainless steel. Very strong material. I love the design. So how do we put it in? We actually simply, like any other hose, just put it in each end. Connect it to the last port. And there you have it, folks. The Fumo jar. Now, how about we put this hookah to the test? So let's pack a bowl real quick and smoke out of it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to smoke. Let the coals heat up the bowl for about 5 minutes. The way I packed the tobacco, a little bit under the rim, slightly, and I put in there 3 coals. So the hookah's ready. Let's go ahead and start smoking. My favorite part. Whew, look at those clouds, man. It's amazing. Has nice cold water in there, so it gives you that little chill effect. But the hookah is nice and smooth. And I love the handle. The handle has a nice little grip to it. Stainless steel, love it. Get one more pull. I love it. So the base itself, it's made out of a special glass called German lavatory glass, strong glass. We also have, of course, the stainless steel parts in here, here, and here, and we have aluminum. Guys, if you want to look cool and you want a nice modern hookah, this is a nice hookah to go with. I strongly recommend it. Everywhere, like I said, I took it, everyone wanted to smoke it. Everyone, you know, like was amazed at how it smoked. Usually I'm not too crazy about glass bowls, but this glass bowl works amazingly. And the HMD heats up the coals perfectly. I was amazed of how simple the hookah is, but yet how perfect it works. I got at least an hour to an hour and a half with this bowl and the coals with the HMD. Woo! I love this hookah, man. So there you have it, folks. Our first look on the Fumo jar hookah. Now, I want to give a big shout out to Fumo for sending us this amazing hookah. We really enjoyed it. And also, if you guys want to check them out, you can go online. It's www.fumodesign.com. And there you're going to find a bunch of modern hookahs and also some accessories that you can go ahead and pimp up your hookah. So, if you guys ever smoked Fumo before or have any questions, you can put them down in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and answer them as best as I can. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe. Also, there's a little bell. Don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified for any new videos that are coming out in the near future. We also have the Instagram. We will be putting out some videos. We're also going to be doing some giveaways in the future, so don't forget to follow us on Instagram. This is DMZ TV. My name is Dutch. Until the next time, we are out.